Hi guys! Today I'm going to make you chocolate squares. As you can see, there are just a few simple ingredients. This will really satisfy your chocolate craving without spending a lot of time. We'll need soft butter, brown sugar, water, all-purpose flour, baking powder, vanilla extract, semi-sweet chocolate chunks, an egg, and the zest of 1 lemon. We'll also need some powdered sugar to sprinkle on top of the squares. I'll be baking this in an 8-inch square baking pan. First, heat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. To the all-purpose flour, add a big pinch of salt and baking powder. Mix the baking powder and salt into the flour. You can grate it right into the cup with the water. Cream the butter. Add the brown sugar. The egg. Vanilla extract. Water with the lemon zest. Chocolate, half of the flour mixture. Mix it in slowly. Put the other half in. Get everything off the beaters. Give it a final mix with a spoon. Our mixture is ready. Butter the pan. It's very easy to do using the butter wrapper. I like to use a piece of parchment paper so the bars are easy to get out. After the squares are cooled, you can hold the edges of the parchment paper and just lift the whole thing up. It's easier to cut into squares that way. Spread it evenly. Bake in the heated oven for 20 to 25 minutes. My oven took about 22 minutes, so it bakes very quickly. You know when it's cooked when the top is golden, not brown, but golden and doesn't look wet or raw. And when you touch the top, it should bounce back a little. And you notice the edges are golden brown, and it starts to pull away from the side of the pan. Let it cool completely. I do hope you tried this recipe and let me know what you think in the comments below. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.